Hello viewer, I'm 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 and in this video I'll show you how you can get Moz Pro for 30 days in a free. So if you are new, here you can see I had just created a account Moz Pro for 1 month, and here you can see renewal 3/4/2024. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach 2k subscriber, and I will suggest you to please visit my YouTube channel. You will find some awesome useful tutorial for you. Here you can see, just visit my YouTube channel. Let's start this tutorial. Here you can see I had just created a video about how you can get Skillshare 2 month or 3 month or 1 month account in a completely free. Here you can see I had created this video. So if you are looking for a Skillshare premium account, then please watch that video. Let's start this tutorial. For that you need to go to Moz. Just go to your browser and search Moz. Go to moz.com official website, and then you need to sign up there. Click on login and then go to the sign up page. Here you need to fill this thing. I will suggest you to use your Gmail address or Outlook or Hotmail. If you don't want to use your private card, then please visit my blog. You will find on a blog article how you can get VCC for trial purpose. Or if you want to buy a Moz Pro account from me, then you can contact me on Instagram. So I can provide you in a cheap price Moz Premium. Okay, the username must be feel unique. Now we need to go to our email address and verify our email. Click on activate your account. And if you are looking for another SEO tool, then I will suggest you to use bundledseo.com. Here you can see it has 4 plan. In a $10 you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, Coolbo to Word AI and Oversuggest, and in a $15 you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, Coolbo to Word AI, Oversuggest, Majestic, Moz Pro, and many another tool. And same as in a $30 you will get all of these tools, including 𝐂𝐻. So, and if you use my coupon code 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, then you will get 20% discount. Here is my coupon code. You will get 20% discount any plan you purchase. So if you are looking for any SEO tool, then I'll suggest you to please watch this website, and please use this website to buy SEO tool in a cheap price. Here you can see we have successfully verified our email address. Now go to this. Simply click on this product button and then click on this Moz Pro and click on this start my free trial. It will ask for add your billing address. So you need to add your billing address, first name, last name, and sorry, I select random. Then fill your address and click on submit. Then add your payment method. Then simply it will upgrade for 30 days Moz Premium account. And if you don't want to use your original card, then please visit my blog website. That is URL is I will give my blog website URL in this video description also. So please visit my blog website. There you can find the article about how you can get a card detail for to get any premium trials for free. and in a few days, after a few days, I will create a video about how you can get unlimited VCC in a completely free. So if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. If you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I can provide you like Prime Video private account or old Facebook page or GitHub Student Developer Pack or Skillshare 3 month, 1 month, 2 month account or Canva Premium private account or Grammarly Premium private account or Office 365 key or Windows 10 11 key. Or if you need anything WordPress theme or plugin, then you can also contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price, and the theme and plugin will be genuine, not a nulled version or cracked version. Like GeneratePress, DB, Jana, Newspaper, ClickBank, extra many WordPress theme are available, and plugin also many available like Langmath Pro, DB, Monarch, Instant Notify, or many WordPress theme and plugin are available. So if you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. Thank you for watching video.